Now, the National Transport and Safety Authority this morning embarked on a crackdown targeting pedestrians flouting road safety rules along Jogoo Road here in Nairobi. The exercise, which kicked off from 6 a.m. Friday morning, nabbed more than 100 offenders who, interestingly, were not arrested but only apprehended for a few minutes before being released by the authority. They, however, underwent a sensitization and education class conducted by the roadside of the busy Jogoo Road. The authority records that since the year began, 6 people have lost their lives along the busy Jogoo Road after failing to use the nearby footbridge erected near the Barma market.
Wanapoteza maisha yao kuvuka barabara, lakini hawa wakituambia tuvukie kwa daraja, watu wengine wanaonanga ni kama wananyanyasa watu, lakini wanatetea maisha yetu.
We are not taking the offenders to court. We are educating them to make them understand. We want them to be our ambassadors on road safety, on the use of designated crossing point. But going forward, we will not hesitate to take the offenders to court.